We have 3 levels of data cleaning before our data is allowed to be in a report. First level is when the data comes in, it's already queried against your historical data. That's done by 2 different processes. So if you manually put the data in, we've got front-end algorithms that are questioning you literally as you put the data in. You can't proceed unless you give reasons for anomalies in your data. If your data comes in via one of your other electronic systems, we've got clients hooked up to other software systems that they use. A lot of them are coming through live. If they record a fall or something at the other end, then it shows up on our server the moment that they record it. And then we are checking that directly via our own algorithms that mimic the data entry algorithms and make sure again that the data is correct. There's 2 levels of cleaning just on that front end, getting the data into the system. There's a second level human data cleaning process that costs us a lot of man hours, a lot of money. It's a lot of work. And that's about actually calling up and communicating with our clients around some of their data. A lot of times it's not that there's errors in the data, but we're verifying that there's improvements. We're verifying that there's spikes in things, and we're picking up the phone and checking. That's an ongoing process. That happens every single data period. We do it for the National Quality Indicator data. Even though we're not funded by the department, we don't get any funding or help or anything in regards to that, but it's a reason that we can live and die by the data and the reports that go out. The third level hits the computer. That gives us a list in all these different areas of data that looks funny or strange. And then as the final cleaning team will go through that before we call it open the gates. So once we open the gate, the report's open, all the data that's okay floods through the gate and people can access it. If you're looking at a database at scale, the QPS database would be one of the cleanest databases of performance data without a doubt in any industry.